This is Judy. I'm back. Cause the weather is so nice today. I feel like updating my video. I'm going to show you a super interesting video. Whatever you do, don't scroll away. If you like my video, please give a like to support me. Thank you. In this video, I was digging because we are planting peanuts. I looked ridiculously funny while digging since my arms were weak. It seems simple, but actually exhausting. Anyone who hasn't done it before would find it super tiring. I really into this kind of view. How about you guys?